Hey guys, so today we'll be making an adorable ruffle deco mesh wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring, which is 14 inches. I have red, white, and green deco mesh, 2 rows of each. And then I have these really pretty red shimmer chenille stems, 9 of them. You will also need scissors. Alright, let's get started. First thing we are going to do is place our stems on our ring. I have my chenille stems here. I have 18, so I use 9 stems and I cut them in half. Now we are going to place them on our ring. First thing we're going to do, place 1 stem on the inner ring and 2 on the outer ring. Then the next section will alternate that. We'll place 2 on the inner ring, 1 on the outer ring, alternating all the way around. Place this first one on the inner ring and I'm just going to twist it a couple of times. Then I will place 1 on the outer ring, twist it in place, and 1 more on the outer ring. So for this next section we will place 2 on the inner, 1 on the outer. So you see, just like that. So 2 on the outer, 1 on the inner, 2 on the inner, 1 on the outer, alternating all the way around the ring. As you can see, I alternated inner 2, outer 2, outer 2, inner 2, all the way around. Now it's time to get our bundles together and place them on the ring. I have cut all of the deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have 18 chenille stems. I'm going to put 2 red, 2 white, and 2 green in each of my 18 bundles. Alright, so again, I will be using 2 of each of my 3 colors, 2 red, 2 white, and 2 green. That means I'm going to have 6 pieces of deco mesh in each section. You could definitely do fewer or more. It's completely up to you. I've done different amounts and they all look really cute. Alright, so I have red, white, and green. Turn it over this way. And then I'm going to get red, white, and green once more. Just like this. So I have 6 pieces and it's in the order of red, white, green, red, white, green. Just like that. And then as you can see, they're not all perfectly the same. It won't matter. We're just going to scrunch them up, find the center, and just scrunch. And the stems will move, but the more you get in place, then the more it's going to like stabilize. So don't worry about that too much. And I'm just going to place my bundle down and twist it a couple of times. And I'm going to go ahead and tuck it away. And you can alternate the colors that you put on top. So this time I'm going to do white, green, and red. So just adjust it accordingly. I have white, green, red, white, green, red. I'm just going to scrunch. Find my next stem. Place it down and twist it a couple of times and tuck it away. I have 1 more section, so I'll put the green on top for this section, and then I'll just keep alternating it all the way around. That way we can see all of the colors. Okay, so this is 1 section complete, and then once I get all of them placed, I'll separate the deco mesh and make it a little fluffier and poofier. Alright, so I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around the ring. So I used 6 pieces of deco mesh on each stem, and I have 3 stems in each section. So that's 18 pieces of deco mesh for each section. And since I have 6 sections, that means I have a total of 108 pieces of deco mesh. So 108 pieces total, 18 in each of my 6 sections, and then 6 on each of my 3 stems. I have all of my deco mesh in place. It looks so cute. Now what I'm going to do is go around to each stem and like fluff up the deco mesh and separate the layers just to make it look even cuter. Alright, so I have gotten it all fluffed up. I think that looks pretty good. It looks so cute and fluffy. The possibilities are endless. You can add whatever you like. You can add an adorable sign in the center. You can add a cute bow. You can add embellishments throughout, like ornaments or bows, candy canes, little candy pieces, whatever you choose. Just have fun with it and make it your own.